The top 5 things you need to do to prepare your location for smudging. Number 5. Open the windows. A properly ventilated space is important when you smudge for the reasons of 1, you want to ventilate the smudging materials through the house, but also you want to give an escape route to any of those not so positive energies that you're trying to cleanse. Use common sense. If you live in a climate where the outside temperature is below 0 or 95 degrees, cracking the windows a little so that you don't freeze yourself out or heat yourself out is preferred. Number 4. Open your cabinets and drawers. Don't forget your closets. Don't forget your laundry room. Don't forget all those little nooks and crannies. Energy accumulates everywhere, so don't forget this little tip to cleanse the entire space. Number 3. Open all the shades and curtains on all your windows. Number 2. Adjust your furniture, allowing you to move easily through your home. And the number 1 thing, as far as preparing your location for smudging, clean your house. Put all those dirty dishes in the dishwasher, wipe down the countertops, wash the bed linens, and vacuum. Use common sense, don't leave food out, since you'll be waving a smoking smudge stick around. Just think of it as if you were having out-of-town relatives over and you want to ensure your place looks at your best. This actually is to your benefit in more ways than one. You're cleansing your space, you're cleaning the energy, you're cleaning yourself. So clean your house, okay? It was the Buddha who said that generosity brings happiness at every stage of its expression. So thanks so much for clicking that button down below and subscribing to this channel. And happy smudging. I love comments, so please tell me what you think about this video and ask a question about smudging.